श्री रामलला की परम पावन जन्मभूमि अयोध्या धाम में अश्वत्थ संत सेवा ट्रस्ट आज 35 वर्षों से
they invited us especially for 2 days program, and many times they requested, but we need some time, properly time. So because you are aware, I don't think are you aware or not, but we have organized many programs in Delhi itself. Prakartik Jivan Shali Natural Care Center in Rohini Sector 3 S3222, where our chief is Mr. Mohan Gupta, and after requesting of chief of this trust, Ashwasth Sant Seva Trust, Sriman Kothari, and we had 2 days Sivir in Ayodhya itself, 14th and 15th. Today's 15th. Today itself we had finished our program.
Apart from your natural lifestyles 2 days program,
Yes.
did you see anything here that what sort of activities are going here?
Anything
going on
else in
here?
Ayodhya? What do you mean?
No.
In Ayodhya or in this
in that
Ashwasth Sant Seva Trust?
Sant Seva Trust. Did
Yes,
you
yes,
see
yes, yes.
anything?
Yeah. Frankly speaking, in my whole life, till the age of 38, I never seen such kind of organization who is believing in men, and we are seeing God in. Really, I am slightly interested in Adhyatmic also, spiritual also. That's why I can tell you one thing. This is the first organization in my life who has given properly education and properly direction to other society of members, and practically they are giving medicines, food, rest and bedrooms to Sant Samaj and other people of poor, or they have inability of money or health. They are providing very good. We have seen by our eyes. There is no doubt this is very good organization. We are inspired because of their work.
Can you tell any achievement or anything that impressed you?
Impressed, two major things. Many things are there, but I want to mention here only 2 things.
Regarding any person who is good here? Could you
Yes.
see anything?
I got your point. Many things are there. This is not possible to explain you within a minute or two, but 2 things that is mandatory to mention here. One thing is, when I was watching that CD, that was in last night I have seen, in which because Mr. What is chief name, Kothari ji, he never appreciated about himself. He is like a stone of the building. He is working behind the curtain. I can feel like this, but 2 things are there that I have to appreciate here. He is the person who, because of that, this organization is running, and he is giving properly services to all the needed person, and he is not hesitating to do any work. Like for example, I have my parents. I cannot do anything for my parents. Like some works are there that cannot be do by myself, but he is doing more than parents for them. This is very inspiring thing for me.
Good. Any message you want to give to the people of Ayodhya and Indian people, or so that they can help, they can appreciate the work of this thing in any sort of help?
Yeah, of course, we all should do all these activities, but I think that front line is that is not possible for everyone. But once organization has already been started by someone like Kothari Saab, accordingly now what he is required only money and our support. If money and support is given, then he has brain-minded, good experience. I think he is around 50, and more than 20 years he already runs this organization. Then no doubt about his veteran experience, he can give many other things also. But if money is not there, then many things cannot be happen according to his choice. Then I'll request to all society, all international level, national level, to support as maximum as possible, please.
Thank you very much.